And the reason why they sounded is because in the event that there could be a tornado.
Yeah, I've got the video going.
It looks like it's coming out.
It really does.
Yep. Alright, so in this case, the main thing to do is just stay calm.
Do we stop, turn around?
No, we're fine. It's going that way. We're going this way, okay?
Yeah.
So what I do need to do is if you can, somebody can pull up a radar feed.
Mom, that's you?
Just to see where it is. Flip this up for a second. Yeah, we're fine. We're going due north and then we're going west, so you don't have to worry about anything.
But they are erratic sometimes. Yeah, look to the right. Yeah, keep going, Alex.
Yep, that's a funnel cloud right there. There's police up here as well too, so I'll worry about that. You guys worry about that.
Yeah, I'll keep taking video. That's a funnel cloud.
That right there wouldn't be a tornado. Just
No, that's just rain over there.
there's no wall cloud to that. That is a wall cloud.
Well, you got your storm chasing.
Well, dang you doofus. That's pretty something.
Ah.
Yeah, that's the thing, because you can't see the bottom of that cloud right over there.
Yeah.
See, there's some chasers right there.
Yep, just have yours.
Yeah, there's a funnel cloud right there, guys. You can see.
Yeah, I see it. I'm zoomed in on it.
I'm not worried about the other side. That might not be police, that might be a chaser. Yeah, he's just a chaser, he's not police. That's police.
Is police talking to the chaser or what?
I mean, it could have been a first responder as well, too, I suppose. So, don't worry. You're okay. That is the main thing to remember.
Look, Mom, the road's going left.
Not fast enough.
We are fine. Don't worry.
What do you think about it, little Steve? Ah! Okay. I agree.
Hope there's not one over there.
Highly doubt that.
It's kind of iconic if you see them. And that's just Scud over there. That is so disorganized.
Yeah, there's nothing over there.
There's nothing to that right now. And I can't really see there being. That's because usually it's rare the tornadoes will
Oh,
drop
it's
too.
right there.
Yeah, there's the tornado right there, guys.
There's a storm chaser.
That is a tornado right there, guys.
Yep.
Yeah, I see him. I see what he's doing. He has no interest in us. He's getting off at this next exit up here and he's going to go chase. Well, we can't say that that's a tornado because we can't see the bottom of it.
Yeah.
But for all intents and purposes, I see. Hey, I know this before. I know how this goes. So, police right here too. So don't worry.
And where are we at right now? Indiana?
We are just south of South Bend, Indiana.
Just south of South Bend, all right.
8:39 p.m. at night
8:39 p.m.
on Sunday, June 23rd.
Sunday, June 23rd, 2019.
Everybody here is stopped on overpass.
I don't blame you. I'd be wanting to watch too.
I'm not wanting to watch. I want to get away.
That's what we're doing, aren't we?
I hope so.
Yeah.
I'm surprised our phones didn't go off.
Our best vantage point was that way in
Yeah.
It's to the west of
It's to the
East. Thankfully, it's the east of
That's
us.
a bomb cloud right there.
Yep.
That's actually right there, that big thing, that swirly thing. There could be a tornado inside of that as well.
Yeah.
It's just hard to know.
It is kind of gorgeous.
It's an amazing phenomenon. Absolutely amazing phenomenon.
Comes a trucker.
How much video do you have on the thing?
15 minutes and I'm through 5.
Oh, you're fine. You're right. That's fine. And don't worry about this over here. That's the shot.
Wow, that's gorgeous. Glad we're over here though.
Yes.
I don't know if they have.
They don't know.
The police would not block anything
Don't
off
block
right
the
now.
highway like that.
That's a bad idea.
You gotta just keep moving.
Because nature's gonna do what nature's gonna do, and we can't really.
If you need to exit,
I'm not even sure where the tornado is. Is that big blob?
Mom, you see that big thing that's touching the ground? That's the tornado.
you come up here on top of the hill, you probably gonna have a slightly better view. You can see definitive rotation. I'm sure if you just watch it, I can't.
Oh, yeah.
I just can't.
It's moving a fair bit.
First responder. Thank you, man, for what you're doing.
First responders are the true heroes.
Over there, that's just that's wide.
Yes,
The
yes,
touch-
Mom.
The big wide thing is most likely going to be the wall cloud. Like I said, and a tornado comes from within the wall cloud. Typically, like we saw earlier, that it was a very nice light gray tornado because a lot of what you're seeing is the water vapor. And until it touches the ground or something like that, when it starts to kick up dust, dirt, etc., then it remains kind of like crystal clearness. So don't worry about this, by the way. We're going to turn left here in a second. Another 2 miles. So we're fine.
I don't see anything actually on the ground from here. I was able to see a little bit of light underneath the entire cloud there.
Okay.
So I don't know if anything's on the ground,
Right, well,
but it's darn close.
We would know, and you would see a funnel cloud. You would see that.
I don't see it yet.
Well, we saw the one funnel cloud.
Yeah, that was real close.
Right. That was close to being a tornado because it's only to be a tornado if you see it touch the ground. And
Yep.
usually by that point, once it hits the ground as well too, then it usually expands.
It looks like it's
But
almost falling apart a little bit.
that can happen. Like right up here, like that big wall cloud over there, you can see how it's lost a fair bit of its definedness right now. But you can still see the clouds swirling.
Yeah.
So there's that. All right.
Now we hit the rain a little bit.
So yeah, we're what we would call outflow because a tornado being basically a vertical vacuum, that is inflow. It is sucking stuff up and into the cloud. Outflow is all the crap stuff you get behind the storm, which is probably what we're in right now. And you can probably kill video, but
Okay.
I don't think we're going to see really much else.